folks, Aaron here from Beansprout. I have a really cool stock ukulele to show you today. For this instrument, kind of followed a couple different woodworking traditions and included my own ideas and went for kind of a new thing for me. And it was really fun. So the main thing about this instrument is the top, back sides, and neck are all made of western red cedar. So that's a soft wood, and traditionally the backs and sides of instruments are hard. But there's precedence for this in the classical guitar world, nylon string guitar world. Folks often build those instruments with cypress for top, back, and sides, which is a softwood. And that's a traditional setup for folks who play flamenco music because those instruments tend to have a little more percussive, bright quality to it that suits their style. So I thought I'd try it with this. So yeah, that's western red cedar all around there. And the other thing I've been really inspired by lately is the woodworking tradition from the Pacific coast of the United States of indigenous folks. So from Vancouver Island, Oregon, Washington coast. And western red cedar is really important for that tradition, for the homes, boat building, obviously, household objects, boxes, everything. So in that tradition, you often see western red cedar objects painted with red and black paint. So think about those large cedar boxes that are painted with red and black. So I was inspired by that color palette to make this instrument. And instead of painting the wood, I used wood that was naturally that color. So besides the cedar, you see this dark red, and that is Jatoba. It's a Brazilian wood that I have a bunch of salvaged chunks of, and it's a nice hard wood that's suitable for fretboards, etc. I thought it looked pretty close to the paint color. And then I've got dyed black veneers all around it to give that look and a little bit of ebony here and there. So yeah, I just really like that color palette, and I love the cedar tree, and I'm inspired by those folks and the beautiful items they make. So, and for this one I used my Santo-inspired headstock, kind of an old Hawaiian shape. And this is a stock instrument. This will be for sale in a moment. So cedar is a pretty soft wood. This is I put my normal 4 or 5 coats of finish on this, but it's going to get marked up, and that sort of thing is fine with me. I like the the wear and tear and the signs of use on the instruments. But if you're somebody who doesn't like scratches, you should pass on this one because it's pretty rustic in its construction because of the soft wood, and I'm okay with that. And it's going to show its wear. So I should play it some more, huh? Yeah, it's very lightweight because of the cedar, and it's got a crisp sound that I really like. It's probably a kind of a cheerful, lighter weight sound than some of my other instruments. Kind of the way a flamenco guitar is different than a concert guitar, and I love it. It's got its own vibe. So yeah, and this cedar, I forgot to mention, most of this cedar is from my friend Duncan's place. These are old cedar fence posts from Cascade Head near the Salmon River, near Otis, Oregon. These are, I reclaimed these from fence post. Its job as a fence post. So it's very old, nice cedar. So yeah, anyway, that is number 708. Sorry about the long video, but I hope you enjoy. Cheers.